हैदराबाद में BRS MLC कविता का मुतालबा किया कि पसमानदा तबकात के रिजर्वेशन बिल को रियासत तेलंगाना में फौरी नाफिज किया जाए। BRS को उम्मीद है कि रियासत में मकामी दराजात के इंतखाबात में रिजर्वेशन नाफिज अमल रहेगा। कविता का कहना है कि जब तक बिल नाफिज नहीं होता तब तक रियासत में बल्दियाती इंतखाबात नहीं होने दिए जाएंगे। दरियासना कविता की क़यादत में बंजारा हिल्स में वाक़ उनकी रिहाइशगाह पर तेलंगाना जागृति का प्रोग्राम मुनक्किद हुआ।
Telangana state has been looking forward for the implementation of the BC Reservation Bill. We all fought very hard for it. We achieved the bill. It was placed in the Assembly. It was placed in both the houses of Assembly, passed successfully. Unfortunately, it is not being implemented yet. The bill is stuck at the Honorable President's level. So whenever that bill is passed, we hope that local body elections should be conducted. Because the benefit of the bill, the 42% reservation, which the Congress government has promised to be given to the BCs, should be implemented immediately. But then now Congress government here in Telangana, Honorable Chief Minister Revanth Reddy Garu has given a statement yesterday saying that the local body elections will be soon held. And we would want to demand from the government that unless and until the BC bill is implemented, we will not let the elections happen.